Welcome to HelloMeme, where we're pushing the boundaries of image and video generation through a unique integration of spatial knitting attentions. In this video, we'll explore how this approach enables high-level and fidelity-rich conditions within diffusion models, achieving an unprecedented level of control and quality in generated content. Let's start with the motion module.
就是这么个事情情况，就是这么。
If we extract the features from each frame of a driving video and input them into the HM control module, we can generate a new video based on those extracted features. However, using raw frame-to-frame data can sometimes lead to flickering between frames. To improve continuity, we introduced the animated if module. This enhancement has significantly improved frame consistency, though it initially impacted fidelity. But through further fine-tuning, we found the right balance to enhance both continuity and fidelity, providing smooth and high-quality video output. Next up, let's look at expression editing. The HM control module allows us to integrate expression conditions by leveraging ARKit face blend shape. Using these blend shape values, we can precisely control facial expressions, achieving realistic and expressive facial movements. Our framework is built as a hot swappable adapter on SD 1.5. This modular design means our system retains the versatility of the original T2i model, enabling seamless integration of various stylization models already developed on the SD 1.5 foundation. An unexpected but significant advantage of our system is its ability to achieve high-fidelity results with fewer sampling steps. This is possible through the fidelity-rich conditions facilitated by the HM reference module, making our approach more efficient than other methods without compromising quality. In summary, HelloMeme stands out with its powerful features and refined performance. Compared to other diffusion models, we're setting a new standard for both fidelity and continuity, all while offering easy integration and adaptability with existing models. You can download HelloMeme for comfy UI and try out the ready-made workflows available within it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest advancements in AI-driven media generation.